Pilgrims, welcome to another Tech Wrap Craft video. My name is Arlene and today we're going to be making this keychain. I bought these keychains from teckwrapcraft.com a couple of months ago and I had them here, so let's use them. We're going to be using epoxy and some pressed flowers to make this keychain. What I'm going to do first is to select the flowers I want to use on the keychain. Once I have them, I am going to cut the stems and lay the flowers on the keychain. Once we do that, we are going to create a design space to type the name and cut the name. I am going to be using a textured vinyl from teckwrapcraft. I am going to show that later on, but this is what I'm doing. I'm just cutting the stems and just laying the flowers where I want them to be. After that, remember, we're going to seal those flowers with epoxy. I'm almost done with the flowers and I'm about to start applying the epoxy. I am going to use the tape to spread the epoxy around the keychain. Once I finished doing this first coat, I went and I put the keychain under the UV light for 90 seconds and then I sanded down the keychain with a 220 grit sander, and then I applied another coat of epoxy. This is the texture vinyl I used from teckwrapcraft. It's a gold texture vinyl, and I really love how it looks and the vibe and the look that it gives when you use it. That's the reason I went with this type of vinyl. We are almost done with the keychain and I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank you for watching us, and remember that you can find the keychains, the vinyl, you can find the squeegee on teckwrapcraft.com. If this is something you would like to try later on, be sure to save this video for future reference. You can give us a thumbs up and you can leave us a comment on the comment section. I really love how it turned out. After I applied the vinyl, I added another coat of epoxy. That way that vinyl is not going to move. And that's it. This is the final result. Tell us, what do you think? I hope you have a great day. Remember, this was Arlene from This Is a House. Don't forget to subscribe.